KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, viewer. Thank you for tuning in. If you are a return customer, I appreciate you. If you're first, thank you. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. It takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. You better believe that. Shout out to Brooklyn. Anyway, I'll be working on this 2015's Nissan NV200. I'm going to be replacing the gas pump. Obviously, the gas pump of this car is failing. So the owner want to change it because we're in November right now. A couple of days to Thanksgiving. Actually, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So we're going to be doing it. I'm going to bring you guys along and show you. The tank is underneath the car. So you have to drop the tank for you to be able to do the gas pump. It's doable. You know, one person can do it. If it's two, it's better. I'm walking by myself. What can I say? So that's the story anyway. So I'm going to show you guys what I've did so far and what we have to do to get out there pump. I haven't said that, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. Get it. So when you look down here, the gas tank is out already, because there is no way I can be videoing this and walking at the same time. But I'm gonna do some explanation so everybody knows. Okay, I don't have the control over that. This is the tank, right? You can see it's massive. One thing when you want to do this job, just pray that there's not a lot of gas inside. If not, it can be really, you know, heavy. But in any way, so this is this guy and one of that guy is just two of them holding the tank with this 13 bolts. One right here, one right here, one on the other side. It's 4 bolts holding the tank. Now see right there, the one that I'm explaining. Then now there is this guy also. So you can drop it out, you can drop it without taking out this guy, but at the side, you know, just to take it out. So this guy, there's a 10 knots here, there's another one, and there's this clip here. Just use a pry bar so pull this guy out. Alright, so here's going to be your little challenge. By the time you get down here, right, so there is a connector coming here. The connector that is coming here, when you lose this belt that is holding the tank, don't just drop it like that, so you're gonna get in trouble. If you look underneath the car, I have a jack right there. So that's what I use over there too. So I decide to, like, when I lose it, I tip up the tank a little bit so I can get some of the gas out. But there's still a lot of gas inside, but it's not that much. So here is going to be a little bit of challenge. So once you lose that, you lose it, make sure you have the jack, then you lower it down a little bit to the point where you can get your hand in here to disconnect that connector. Once you disconnect that, that's the first one. So there's going to be another one that is coming here. You see this one also. So let me see, there's a pin right here. Let me show you. Okay, this kind of clip right here is right down here. So you just push it, you know, you're able to take this one out. So this one right here is going right here. It's going to go on the whip pump, so I took it out already. So you have to take off this guy that is coming there. It's a little bit of be patient. You can be able to do it. Then you're gonna come here now and disconnect this hose as well. This one is easy. Just push the button, pull it out. So that's everything. So this is the pump. So one thing I'm going to advise you guys, right? Before you take off the pump, I'm going to mark it. Make sure it's, you know, there's a white line here. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see this white line right here. That's where this guy's going to be facing. So you can get it right. I'm going to use another marker. Then we have to, like, hammer. Before you do it, you blow it out. So I use my little blower, this guy right here. Sorry, man. I take it for me. So you use this little blower, you know, blow it out. Very good. Blow everything out. Get out the dust. That's that. So now we're gonna go ahead, hit this guy, try to get this guy out. But before then, this is the pump. So like I always say, you know, KG, I like to give the best advice, because some mechanic wouldn't tell you all this, you know. They buy a pump, they don't care, they put it in, they make their money. End of story. But me, I always like to advertise, try to get the OEM. It's better. The reason for that, if you get the OEM, you don't have to worry about this next 10 years. This guy's 90,000, 97,000 miles or close to that. You know, you change it once in a lifetime, you know. So I will encourage you to buy the OEM. And another thing I'm going to stress too, don't let your gas go through like on a low, because when it happens like that, there might be some dirt inside it. It can mess up your gas pump. So always make sure you have your gas on half time. That's just my own. So this is the pump. I'm gonna bring it out. OEM, it's original, as you can see. This is the pump, and this is the part number. I come with an O-ring that's gonna go underneath here. So this is the part number. I'll show you. Queens of Nissan. They're close to you there. There it is. You see it? That's Nissan right there. And turn it around. That's the part number right there. It's right here on the O-ring too. Alright. So now we put this guy back here. So now we're going to go here now and take off this pump. And carry the pump this guy out. So we're going to go like this. There we go. Wasn't that too hard? So now I'm going to go back in there and blow up this thing some more. But there's still some residue there. This thing works very well, man. I remember one time I wanted to work on a car. The guy said he wanted to give me some change this part plug and all of that. But he said if I have a blower, I said no. So because of that, he didn't give me the job.
Don't clap on for yourself.
KG was forced to go and buy a blower. A little bit of blower, but he works. So that's it. So we're gonna push this guy now. Take it out. Even I don't think you can miss it, because this, you can't miss it, because this guy right here, see, you can't miss it, bro. Because this guy right here is coming here, so you cannot miss it. I mean this right here, so you can't turn it the other side. So it comes right here. So there's an arrow right here. I'll show you guys a little bit. Probably you can see, but let's try to see how we're gonna get this pump out. There she goes. There's a pump right there. That's a pump. Booyah!
Booyah!
Yep. So we got it out nice and neat. We're gonna put this guy right here. Don't need that pump anymore. So I'm gonna bring you guys. Look down here, see, there's an arrow right here, right? So that's where that guy goes, so you can't miss it. See, the tank is clean, everything look clean. So I just wanted to show that out. So there's a number here, number 1. If you can see that, 1. So that's where the thing faces. So we're gonna take off the O-ring on this one. Take off this O-ring. Take off this guy, just like so. Don't need this guy anymore. Bring the new one, put it in, make sure I bring it out, so I believe I can be able to do it. See what I was telling you? It's like a little butterfly, so you can't go like this. Beautiful. Got it? Everything is connected. Make sure. So we don't have no job to do here. Everything is in. So go back in like this. Put this guy in just like so. This guy. Just like so. There we go. So we come right here. Push this guy down. Just like so. So as you can see, the pump is in now. So there was a little kind of, you see, I was trying to knock it the other side. No, that was how it came out. I was supposed to go this way. So I just pushed down. So I just wanted to point this out. You see this lock right here? This guy right here, see the white line? So this thing was marked already. So that's where it was going. So I just make sure I point that out so everything line up really good. So everything looks good. So we're gonna go in back in there now, and just wanted to point that out. Everything looks good. So obviously I can't be able to video it why I'm putting it back, but once I get it back in, I'll bring you guys back. KG, stay tuned, don't go. So I just wanted to point out, don't forget to put this guy back in. If not, it's gonna be a nightmare for you. All right. So I'm underneath the car now. So this guy right here is a 10. So this is the one I was telling you guys about. See right there, that clip, when you disconnect that, so that hose there is gonna come through this. You just push it, come through the other side. And these are other clips. And that the pan is gonna come in here. So one thing I'll advise you, see the way I have the jack, I still leave the jack, my jack right there. See the way I have it? But this jack wasn't enough, so I have to use this, literally this pan, when I lift it up to put the tank. Then I was able to jack it up there, you know. So everything went well, but I'm not gonna put the other pan yet. I'm just gonna go ahead, connect the battery. Make sure you disconnect the battery when you're doing this. Then we're just gonna start the car once everything is good, no leakage, nothing. Just be mindful of that connector inside there, you know. So everything went well. The jack is off now. So that's basically a KG. Job is done. So this is the pan that I was talking about. I just got 210 north. So they have it here because of the muffler, you know, the hotness. So you just got this clip right here. And this clip right, once you lose that, you can drop the tank without taking this off though, but I just wanted to take it out because the thing is kind of lower than the tank. So that's why, you know, it just snap on there. Everything look good. Jack it down and then start. So as you can see, I just started the car is running good. Question, comments, don't hesitate. We are here to help you. Obviously, we can't take this knowledge with us. It's better you live full and die empty. KG, support your boy in any way you can. I will see you on my next episode. Love you all. Peace. I am gone. Happy Thanksgiving.